What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now the kind folks over at Magbak. Last year they sent out the S23 Ultra. This year they've sent us over the S24 Ultra case. Comes with the mag stick and it is Magsafe compatible, and the Magsafe on this is unbelievable. If it didn't like last year, it can only get better. Protect your phone, mount it anywhere. Little pull tab on the side right here, but let's just go to the back. S Pen compatible. Mount to any metal surface, mount anywhere else with Magstick. 9 embedded magnets, 2 layer shielding, 360 protection, 6-foot drop tested, soft touch grip all round, supports wireless charge, quick mount with auto alignment, and minimalist design, low profile Magstick. You get it like so, and then what you do is you just pull it open, and there is the Magbak case. Now it is a nice sort of silicone case. I do like the cases a lot from Magbak, they are quite nice. So let's just see if we can get it out first. The nightmare trying to get it out, but there we go. Alcohol pad in the middle, little 3M stick, little Magbak booklet, tells you about how to install it, and then you get the Magbak stick. So this you can mount anywhere, comes with a little 3M strip on the back. Got a spare right there. Mount it on a wall, mount it on any surface anywhere, and then just stick the phone to it. So basically what you're going to do is, you'll see now when I put it on the back, like so, and then literally you just plunk your phone and it'll sit. But yeah, that's the thing with the Magstick. I don't use it because I have Magsafe everywhere. So there is the Magbak case, Magbak logo on the bottom, and then the actual Magbak logo right here. Nice buttons on the side right there. The volume one is not separated. Little lanyard cutout on the side right here. Cut out on the bottom for your charge port and your S Pen, and nice little grip where your finger's going to go. I like that, they've done really well with that where your finger literally sits. That's a nice touch, but it is a nice soft silicone feeling case, and it is going to protect your phone. Advanced floating shield, this area is not attached to the case by design. Magsafe logo in the middle with the Magbak. Patent technology, nice camera cutout right there, and you cut out on the top for your 2 mics. But let's grab my S24 Ultra in the titanium and let's just slap it in. And there we go. So I'll show you the front first. It is really recessed in there. You've got that lip running all the way around the edge, so you can place it face down. The cameras are really recessed into there, so you're not going to have to worry about them. They are fully recessed, so you can place it down like so and not have to worry, and it is fully protected. On the volume rocker and your power button, it sort of grips and grooves down into the silicone, which is a nice touch too. I do like that. That feels great. Nice and clicky. Very nice indeed. Cut out on the top of your mics, and then here we go, where's where it gets nice and recessed, where your mic, your charge port and your speaker is, and then as you said where your finger fits in, and you can do it with just your fingertip. You don't have to have nails, which is a great touch. I like that a lot, but we'll be using the S Pen again in a second because we're testing out the Magsafe technology on it. Let's bring in the Nomad base stand, so, and let's go ahead and slap the phone on, and it does slap right into place, and then ooh, it never picked it up. It's not as... oh, the Magsafe's not as strong as last year. I could pick this base stand up with no issues, and it can't pick it up this time. It literally drops. My hand's there to protect my desk. That's a no. It can't pick up the base stand. Last year it could pick up the base stand without any issue. This year not so much. But let's go ahead and let's slap on Magsafe battery pack. That slaps on really well, and it's on there. It's not coming off, but the phone is now charging, as you can see. So if we cut off the screen, let's grab hold of the S Pen. So the screen is on. Let's check it out. Nope. No, doesn't seem to be any issue there. Let's rub all that out. Let's try the signature test. No. Nope, seems perfect to be honest. No issues at all. No, none at all. Feels great. Looks great. See, it's really attached. Like, it's fully attached, but it just can't. Like, I mean, it can hold up like this, but it hasn't got that grip when it's picking up the base. That I don't understand why. It's super strong. I just don't understand why it's not picking that up properly. Let's give it one last try. No. But I mean, like you just seen with the Magsafe battery pack, you don't have to worry about it coming off. And as I say, well, like, that's just my test that I do. Like if you've got like a normal Magsafe charger that it's going to sit on, like say it clicks into place, it's not falling off, it's now wirelessly charging. So yeah, I mean it takes a bit of a force to get it off. Just don't understand why it wouldn't pick up the Nomad base stand. But not to worry. It is a nice looking case. You can get a load of Magbak accessories as well, which fit onto the back, like a wallet, etc. We've had all them in the past. They have the Magbak wallets with the little finger loops in them, so you can put your finger through the back of them and use it as like a sort of pop socket style. Great case, like it a lot. Nice silicone feeling case. How it would wear over time, as you can see the ring starting to form already. We'll have had some Magsafe stuff on it now. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is the Magbak case something that you would consider going for? I'm going to leave links in the description to where you can pick yours up. Not too sure whether there's a bit of discount on there as well using my affiliate links, but do check it out anyway if you do want to pick up something from Magbak. And let me know if you do. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if there's any cases out there you want to see checked out on this channel. Let me know in the comment section down below and I will do my best to get them in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys. See you all soon.